How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode we have something really simple, but at the same time really practical, if it works. In this episode, I went to the store yesterday and I picked this one up. This is a really cheap vacuum, but we hope it works. We'll have this one probably in the truck just in case. This is made from Goodyear, and you can use it on wet and dry. And I don't know how it's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna perform well. The only thing I know is my truck is really nasty. I already did some episodes cleaning the exterior, waterless car wash. Go check that episode. And I have another one with the interior, where I clean the whole interior. The only thing we have left now to do is use a vacuum. In this case, that's why we do this. Probably it's not like a proper review, but I want to try new products, and this one is cheap, but if it works, I'll put it on the description. And first time using it. The only thing that I know from this type of vacuum is you have to connect it to the cigarette lighter, and I don't think that's something practical. I don't know if you need to keep the car running. That's something that probably is not gonna work. So, like I said, let's open it up just to see what's going on with it. And did you see the plug right here? You can see how cheap it looks. It is cheap, but hopefully it has enough power to do what it's supposed to do. If we can connect this to the power outlet and this truck doesn't need to be on, it's gonna be really good, because that's what I'm looking for. I don't want to just keep spending gas and having this thing on while I clean in the truck. Okay, just having the key in the ignition, it's gonna work. So let's see how good this thing is gonna be. If you can see, the truck is really nasty, but hopefully this thing has enough power to get everything cleaned up. Sorry about the beeping, but because we need to have the key on the ignition, it's gonna be just for a little while. Let's turn this thing on. What do you guys think? I spent few minutes only, and it gets the job done. The only thing that I'm gonna say, if I wanna become a professional detailer, now that I'm going towards the detailing and all that on my channel, I don't think this little thing is gonna do the job. We need something powerful, we need something better. But in this case, just to do a little cleanup on the truck, on your car, it's doing the job. So now that I finished with that, I gotta remove it so I can clean the bottom and finish this driver's side, then the seat, move to the other side, and I'm gonna show you just a little clips here and there to see how good this thing is gonna do it. Okay, so we had the first seat done. I would say the job was not too shabby. It was okay. Driver's license complete. You can see it doesn't look that bad. But like I said, professionals use better tools. But still, get the job done. Okay, now we have the passenger side. We finish with the cleaning, but let me tell you something, with this little thing I don't think I will do it again. And let me show you the end result. Not too bad. That's the seat on the driver's side. It looks a lot better than before. Not 100% because it will take me forever with that little vacuum, guys. And this is the passenger. So guys, this little vacuum from Goodyear, let me tell you one thing, you get what you pay for. It's really cheap. I get it for like $12-13. I don't know who buy these things, to be honest. I was using it and you can see all this. It was coming from here. All this. So everything that it was vacuum, it was dumping it around here. Now let's open it to see what's going on inside. Look at that thing. Kinda nasty. I mean, it did his job, right? But every time that I was moving the vacuum, all this dust, it was coming from here all over the place. So it was messing it up, the truck too. What's the point about having something like this that is cheap and not doing its job? So I don't think this thing is for me. And I know out there, if somebody who's doing detailing probably is gonna tell me or recommend me which type of vacuum to get, but at the same time you can get, or you can use the one that you have at home, or you can just go to the car wash and use their vacuum and that's done, right? But in this case I want to have a little machine that is more practical. Probably I'm gonna try to look for an electrical one that is gonna do the job. It's gonna be cleaner. It's not gonna be throwing all this stuff all over the place. At the end of the day, guys, you get what you pay for. I don't know who's buying this thing, but believe me, this thing is not good. So guys, in the comments, please let me know which vacuum you like to use. You use the one at home, or you just go to the car wash, or you just take it to a detailer. Probably in a few more episodes I'm gonna go with my buddy. He's gonna teach me something about detailing because he's a pro. His name is Ben. He's been doing it for a long time and he's really a professional on detailing. So guys, that's all I have for this episode. This thing, I would say, is small. If it doesn't have any of those leaks, I will keep it. But to be honest, it's not practical, and probably gonna get something electric. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and also on the comments recommend me which one you wanna use or which one you think is the best to keep it on your car and use it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.